Okay, so we start in the third quarter, right? Let's look at the Warriors defense. So here you see first position of the third quarter. Ubre falls, and now Holiday gets a step on him, right? So here you see Wiseman should help out, right, at the rim, but he doesn't. He's just busy checking Yanis, and Pascal has to help now, right, at the rim, but he's not tall enough to stop Holiday's layup, right? This is Wiseman's help. He should be helping here. And Giannis is not a threat for outside, right? He should help here. Let's go to the offensive end. We see here this is a set play. They're trying to get a pick and roll with Brook Lopez and Holiday. Right here, you see both Holiday and Lopez are following Steph here, so he should pass the ball to Wiseman, but he doesn't even look there, right? He passes to Oubre. Still, you see, Oubre should look around the court, right? If to see if someone is open, but he doesn't, right? He just tries to drive and like he misses the layup badly, right? We go on the defensive end. Giannis tries to go for a layup in transition and gets blocked by Wiggins, right? Here Pascal like tries to go to Wiseman, and Wiseman looks for his own shot in transition, right? Tries to take on Brook Lopez. He should have waited for some time, right, before taking on Brook Lopez again in transition, right? You see, when Giannis catches the ball, both Pascal and Wiggins are close to him. They can reach him, right, if they tried, but they don't. Like they just keep jogging, basically, and Giannis gets a wide open dunk. Next offensive trip, right? Why is they're trying to run a post split, right? I think, and Wiseman gets called for offensive fire for a elbow to Brook Lopez, right? A wasted offensive trip again. Next defensive play. This is a double track play for Middleton. They get no advantage here. Wiggins plays good defense. Now here, right? Wiggins should switch if they're playing a switching defense, right? They should switch close to the body, right? Not like this. Here you see Middleton can pull a three or he can pass to Lopez, right? Both things can happen, right? He gets a wide open layup, but Wiggins pokes the ball away using his arms. You see right here again, yeah, right here Wiggins pokes the ball away from Lopez. We go to the next offensive trip. Steph passes to Oubre and Oubre gets a dunk, right? He should do this more, right? Like get ahead of the defense to like get dunks or open threes in transition. Let's talk about defense. You see, again Wiggins and playing the pick and roll defense on Middleton, and Middleton just slips right here. So Warriors get lucky. One trip. So here, right here. So Holiday's guarding Steph in the backcourt, right? So Pascal just calls for the ball, right? Instead of like here, they can set a screen, get Steph ahead of the defense, right? Or ahead of Holiday, basically, so he can attack Brook Lopez in open space. But they just Wiseman instead just passes the ball to Pascal, right? So Steph points to give the ball to Wiggins. Here you see Steph is screening for Oubre, right? So this is the purpose for doing this is to get a switch, right? Basically, he wants Drew Holiday off of him, right? But Drew doesn't switches off. So Steph, you see right here, he tries to push Holiday. Still, Holiday is on him, right? So now, as we can see, there's no advantage for Steph. So I think here, right, they can still try a DHO, right, dribble handoff, right? Giannis is guarding Pascal. He's giving him some space. So they can try a dribble handoff, right? But they just move away from him. So now Pascal has to create something. So he just chucks up a mid-range shot of over Yanis and misses badly. It's almost like a air ball, right? You see, Wiggins catches it directly and just goes up for the shot. Gets two. Next offensive trip. The- Giannis is past the half court line, right? And now Wiseman just playing a sag on him. He chucks up a three and misses. Right? They get the rebound. Steph in transition. Right? Again, you see, Drew is guarding him. They try to set two screens, right? So Drew and Lopez both following Steph again, right? And he gets past him. Right here, you see here, Steph can pass to Wiseman, Steph can pass to Pascal, right? But he tries to go for his own shot, right? And he misses. Like Giannis blocks him, basically. Pascal gets the rebound, passes to Steph. Wiggins is open, goes for a three, misses. Again, Milwaukee in transition. Steph stops the ball, right? Steph stops the ball, right? But both Pascal and Wiseman are behind the play, right? So, and Oubre is trying to stay in the paint to stop any Giannis dunk, right? But now he's on a two-on-one situation, right? So basically, Dante passes the ball to Giannis, and now Oubre has to try to block him, goes for the block and fouls Giannis. So now Giannis goes for two free throws. So the 10-point lead goes up by 2 points, right? Now Steph with the ball again, like gives up the ball, right? Now he tries to get set a screen. So this set screen, right? This plays to get a switch basically to get Drew Holiday off of Steph and on and Dante onto Steph, right? But Oubre like doesn't tries to do that, right? He should do some kind of movement to get to the open space, right? But he doesn't. Like again, this set a DHO and yeah, both Giannis and Drew are on to Steph, right? Both all defensive type of players. You see, there he passes to Pascal and gets two. Still, he made the right play, right? Again in transition, Wiseman is on Giannis, right? He's tried to attack him in the post, misses badly. This is Steph's fault actually, right? He lets Dante get inside and gets the rebound, right? Dante passes to Lopez. Again, Steph is getting back, right? He goes to Holiday, but Brook Lopez throws away the ball. We go to the next play. Next play, right? Again, so Steph screens for Wiggins here, right? Tries to get a switch basically to get Drew off of him or Wiggins onto Holiday. But Holiday doesn't switch, right? Just pushes Steph. He falls down here, right? Here, Wiseman has the option to pull for a three, right? You see where Brook Lopez is when he is at the 3 point of line. So here Wiseman can pull a three, but he doesn't. He just passes to Pascal. So here Pascal is not good at making decisions, right? So when Raymond is in, he can make some good decisions here. Again here, right? You see. So Wiggins drives. Lopez is a drop. So he can pass to Wiseman, right? Basically, this is an open three if Wiseman picks and pops. But he drives and scores two. Uh, Again in transition, right? Wiggins hustles and comes back in the picture, right? Before Lopez. So Middleton passes to Giannis. He doesn't try to attack Wiseman, right? He sees a big body in the paint, so he doesn't try to attack it. But you look here, he just passes to and by one small move, right? Oubre loses DiVincenzo. Where is Oubre going, right? So he's out of the picture, and DiVincenzo gets an open shot, right? Basically. So now again on the next trip, right? Steph runs a pick and roll, and like he tries to shoot it over Brook Lopez, right? This is a fairly open shot for Steph, but he misses. Again in transition, a pick and roll with Middleton. Williams plays good defense, but you see, Pascal was guarding Holiday, right? So he tries to help in the paint, but loses his man, right? Now he doesn't know where Holiday went, right? So now he's open, and when he jumps, right, basically the ball is already at the cylinder, so got gets called for a goaltend. Still, Milwaukee only has extended its lead by 2 points, right, till now. 8 minutes in. Next, right, Kerr calls for a lob play. This is a lob play, right, for Wiseman. You see here, he's here. Steph just passes to Wiseman. This is a open dunk for him, right? The delivery is bit off. Also, Dante comes in, right? Blocks. You see here, he basically blocks out Wiseman, right? Even if he can catch this, he's out of the picture. Steph should pass to Oubre if he sees the help coming in, right, from weak side. In transition, Middleton. So again, right, a silly mistake here in defense on defense by Wiggins, right? Here he just like swipes at the ball, right? He knows he can block it when he goes to the rim, but he swaps